Since its debut in 1998, the RX has been one of the world's most popular crossovers. It's got it all: roominess, comfort, capability, and luxury. The all-new RX F Sport delivers dynamics as well, as part of the Lexus driving signature vision. Whether you drive through the city or down twisting country roads, you'll immediately feel a responsive and sporty ride worthy of the F Sport badge. One of the first things to notice is the clear and direct steering, thanks to an all-new platform and adaptive variable suspension. ABS is tuned for sharp responsiveness and actively controls body pitch and roll based on the selected drive mode and driving conditions. 4 drive modes are available via the multimedia touchscreen, including Sport Mode, which provides a dynamic driving experience. Smooth acceleration is matched with seamless braking. The 400mm brake discs feel robust and quickly curb speed on demand. Precise control is just one part of the Lexus driving signature. Engineers and designers work closely to deliver exciting F-Sport design in parallel with the Lexus driving signature experience. To increase straight line stability, the edge of the front bumper is shaped to generate downforce, while the distinct air intakes direct and regulate airflow through the bumper. The frame around the grille is removed for F-Sport, while unique color accents and mesh design provide a sportier feel. Up top, you'll notice black roof rails to complement other dark accents throughout the vehicle. From the side, we can see F-Sport badging and unique 21-inch aluminum wheels. The opposed 6-piston aluminum monoblock calipers provide a smooth braking feel and add to the sporty appearance. At the rear, the bumper is all F-Sport too. Like the front, it's as aerodynamic as possible. Airflow regulating fins and an exclusive F-Sport bumper shape push air out and away from the RX to increase stability and handling. Sitting inside the RX is a real treat. The unique front seats include ultra suede side material and provide ample cushioning and support. The front headrests have a distinct F-Sport logo embossed, creating a sense of depth. 2 sporty and modern interior colors are available: dark rose and black. The inside is accented by aluminum trims near the gear shift, scuff plate, and pedals. F-Sport's unique traits also include an exclusive steering wheel and meter display, while dimpled leather trims the gear shift and steering wheel. The RX F Sport is an excellent representation of the Lexus driving signature. It's responsive, instills confidence, and establishes a joyful human-to-machine connection in every driving scenario.